guys, it's Sweetie Pie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video that I have been waiting to do for a bit now. I've been thinking about the brands that I, wanted to include in this video, and I finally came down to 8 brands, I think. Yes, 8 brands in 2018 that I want to try more from, or just try in general, that I have never tried a product from them. Alright, so if you guys are interested in what I would like to try in 2018, then stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Click that red button. It's a pretty nice laugh over here. I will put some videos at the end of this video that you can check out of mine, and yeah, I think you should subscribe because yeah, I leave dumb stuff like that in all the time. But yeah, anyway guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below. What brands do you want to try in 2018? This is what I do instead of making plans and resolutions. Alright guys, so yeah, brands that I want to try in 2018. There's actually quite a few more that I am interested in, that I have seen on social media and stuff like that. And like so many products, like oh my gosh, I have to calm down. I'm not spending a dime on makeup for at least a couple months. Anyway, so there are 8 brands that I've picked 2018, 8 brands that I am really interested in, that have really caught my eye, and yeah, and I'm just going to talk like a tiny bit about why I want to purchase from them, and you know, whatever. Anyway, so the first one that I want to talk about is Violet Voss. Okay, so the story with Violet Voss, the reason why it's at the top is because I literally caved when they brought out their hashtag palette on Sephora's website. I was like, done, and I totally bought it like literally the day after it came out. I was like, it's not sold out. I gotta buy it, And I did use some Christmas money that I got, but I still was like, Melissa, you had no willpower. It was those purples, like, oh my gosh, those purples were so pretty looking. Anyway, so Violet Voss is definitely a brand that I wanted to try more of, and I'm actually going to get the chance to try the first product from them not too long from now. And I'm definitely going to do like I'll do a review, swatches, all that jazz on the next brand palette that I want to try more of. Well, actually, I've never tried anything from this brand, is Viseart. Viseart has been hyped up so much on YouTube and on Instagram, and like I watched oh my gosh, why is it not coming? Kimberly Clark's video on what she thought of the Viseart eyeshadows, and that, you know, because they were so hyped up so much, like she used them and like her palette came really crunched. I don't know, it was a bad experience, obviously, and I'm sure like Stephanie Nicole, one of my absolute favorite YouTubers, she is wonderful. She's a wonderful person. You know, she absolutely loves them, so I am going to watch out for new releases that they bring out. This year for Christmas they brought out a smaller palette. I wasn't super interested in it. The colors were just like meh. So hopefully this coming year they will bring out some smaller items so that I won't feel like $100 for an eyeshadow palette. Anyway, so the next one I have had like 2 products from. I think I only have 2 products in total from this brand, and it is Morphe. I know that they are super, you know, talked about, and honestly, I totally understand that, but like a lot of people really loved the Jaclyn Hill palette. The palette that I want to buy from Morphe is actually the 3502. That orange toned palette was so beautiful, and I wanted to buy it so badly, but I didn't. The couple products that I do have from Morphe, I didn't actually have to order off their website. I found them at a store called Showcase. They do have 3 or 4 of their like normal palettes, the palettes that like the older ones, but I wanted to I wanted to get their newer formula, which is in like the Jaclyn Hill palette and the 3502, so that I could get like the really you know, the new formula and whatnot. But anyway, maybe I'll purchase it one day. I hope that something will come my way. And like, you know, their shipping isn't great in Canada either. A lot of these places and a lot of these companies, the reason why I didn't purchase from them before is because I know for a fact I'm gonna have to pay for shipping, and I'm like, ugh, shipping? Seriously? Like, it just seems like such an intense thing. I can understand if it's like, but actually, like, I don't understand, like, something I can buy from, you know, from China can be totally free shipping, but then something I buy from, like, the US, you know, is like $12, $14, $15. I just don't understand that. Anyway, the next brand is Marc Jacobs, which Marc Jacobs and Milk Makeup and Beauty Blender are the 3 brands that I can actually get in Sephora. Marc Jacobs, I've never tried anything but like these little tiny lipsticks, which are cute and nice, and the packaging is so adorable, but that's all I've tried from them. And I would really like to go to like Sephora and get some samples of their their highlighter. I can't remember what it is called. The Dew Drops, Dew Me Up Drops, something like that. And also I'd like to get some of their foundation. I don't know if my Sephora carries that or not. We'll see. Anyway, Milk Makeup is the next one. For Christmas this year, I wanted to get from like the VIB sale, I wanted to get their kit. It sold out so quick and it never came back into stock, so like from what I saw. So I didn't actually end up being able to get it. I do want to try some of their sticks. Like their sticks were so popular, and then now everybody's kind of like getting over them, I guess. I still want to try them. Anyway, the next company is a company that I'm like, I don't know if this will ever happen, and that is Melt Cosmetics. Their stacks are so freaking awesome. Like, so many YouTubers rave about them. Like, I've seen Katie use them in Get Ready With Me's when Desi and her were getting together, and they just looked so beautiful. And, you know, online, on Instagram, oh, so beautiful. But yeah, I would like to try and purchase one of their stacks. They are expensive, and I'm sure Canadian shipping is not going to be cheap, but I do want to try, look, you know, browse a little more. Maybe I can get something that's a little less expensive. Maybe they do, you know, Christmas kind of stuff and whatever. We'll see. Anyway, last brand of the brands I want to try in 2018 is Pixi Beauty. Now, Pixi Beauty just came to Shoppers Drug Mart for me. They have been carrying quite a bit of Pixi stuff in Shoppers Drug Mart, but I need recommendations. So everybody out there that's actually watching till the end of this video, recommend to me, what should I get from Pixi? Like, I know their Glow Tonics supposed to be pretty good. I can get it for like $20 for like a pretty large container, so I might try that. And you know, like, what is their makeup like? I need to watch some videos. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've been talking forever, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed that I talked a little bit, you know. We'll see when I edit this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, Melissa, you talked way too much and your voice is just insane. I'm sorry. Alright guys, well, I love you guys so much, and make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and go click on some of the other videos that are popping up over here. I did a ColourPop haul not too long ago, and I also did a look using just Super Shock shadows. I like Super Shock shadows, just let you know. Anyway, love you guys so much, mwah, and have a really wonderful night, day, whatever.